Hello there cardboard lovers, it's Cardboard Badger here, and I have returned from F&M, and with it being September and the new card, I now have my mitts holding a Fatal Push. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. In fact, let's carefully open this out. I don't know if you can see, but it is really nice. The background's fantastic. I'm sure this video isn't going to do it justice, but there you go. If you wanted to see one, that's what it looks like. I am very pleased. Whether or not I get another one, we'll have to see, but that was a fantastic start. Anyway, I also want a booster. Here it is. So I thought the best thing to do, as per normal, open it up and let's see what we get. Right then, we shall whip through these. And then we go for Hashep Oasis, Devotee of Strength, Sunscourged Champion. Oh, and we got a mythic. Razette the Foul Blood. Quality.
Close.
There we go. That is
Close.
amazing. And that is it. So we got a mythic. I'm pretty chuffed with that. I've got my Fatal Push. So all is good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Cardboard Badger. Woohoo!